Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate MTV Play on your TV using an activation code, follow these step-by-step instructions to start streaming MTV content. Step 1. Turn on your TV and launch the MTV app. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from your TV's app store first. Step 2. Open the MTV app on your TV. Step 3. The app will display an activation code on your screen along with instructions to visit mtv.com, activate, or a similar activation URL. Step 4. Using a computer, smartphone, or tablet, open a web browser and go to mtv.com, activate. Step 5. Select your TV provider from the list of participating providers displayed on the website. Step 6. Log into your TV provider account using your username and password. Step 7. Once logged in, enter the activation code shown on your TV screen into the provided field on the website. Step 8. Click Activate, Submit, or Continue to complete the linking process. Step 9. Return to your TV and wait a few moments for the MTV app to refresh automatically. Step 10. Once activated, the app will display the MTV home screen with access to full episodes, exclusive content, and live streams. Step 11. You can now browse and stream your favorite MTV shows and music videos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.